Good morning students, welcome to the class. I am Rajni, your science teacher in DAV Police Public School, Kathal. Today we will study about the shoot system. The shoot system is the part of plant which grow above the soil. This part of plant grow towards the light and it consists of stem, leaves, flower, fruits, etc. The stem. Stem is the main part of shoot system which grow above the soil. As you can see here, stem. The part of plant which grow above the soil is called stem. And in the stem there is at the regular intervals leaves grow, and the part from where the leaves grow, it is called node. The leaves grow on the stem from these nodes. And the difference between the two nodes is known as internode. So in stem we have studied this node. Node is the part of plant from which leaf occur, and the difference between the two nodes is known as internode. And in big trees you can see the stem is very strong. The stem is large, woody and very strong. That is called trunk. And the outer covering of the trunk is brownish color. That is called bark. So the function of this is to provide the stem, provide protection to the stem. What are the function of stem? Stem keep the plant straight and upright. Stem transport the water and mineral absorbed by the root to all part of the plant. It holds the leaves in such a way that they obtain the maximum sunlight for the photosynthesis to manufacture food. It transports food prepared by the leaves to all part of the plant. In some plant it store food. The stem of the young plant when green can manufacture food by the process of photosynthesis. Now we see the activity that the stem grow towards the light. Here in this activity it is shown that there is a potted plant that is placed in an inverted manner, and if it is placed in such a manner for some time, then the stem part of it is grow towards the light. So from this activity it is very much clear that the stem grow towards the light. As we have already studied it, that the root grow away from the light and stem grow towards the light. Stem perform the function of transport of water and mineral. For this, it is an activity. We will perform this activity in our Zoom class. We have placed the stem in a colored ball, water, and you can see here this stem is also become red in color because of this red color water, which show that the water is transport in the stem. So the stem perform the function of transport of water and mineral. This is clear from this activity. There are some other functions of the stem which are the special function of the stem. In some plant the stem perform the special function. These type of stems are called modified stem, such as potato. The stem modified to store food. It is an underground stem. Potato is an underground stem and it store food. We are having the food of potato. So this is the special function of the stem. This is a modified stem. Similarly, ginger is also an underground stem. You can see here from the ginger the roots and the buds are arise. This is a stem, and from the downward the roots arise from this stem. So ginger is also an underground stem. It is also store food. The third one, you can see here the stem that store food. Example are onion, potato and ginger. stem that provides support. Here you can see in the picture some plant like grapes, pea have weak stem. So they cannot stand upright. They need support. So they have a spring-like structure which provides support to the stem. These are called stem tendril, which roll towards the other coil towards the external support like pole, branches of the tree, and give support to the stem. The other modified stem is stem that manufacture food. Cacti is the example of the stem that manufacture food. Here the stem is of leaf shape and the leaves are of needle shape. These stems manufacture food for the plant because of the absence of the leaf.